Look what I found. Let me find you. There you are. Okay. Look at this. I can't move it. Oh. It was just nestled in that rock. And it's a little deformed. Where'd it go? You went in that blossom. Oh, there's another one in the blossom. Little bees. Are those bumblebees? They sure do bumble around. Oh God, I am finding all of the creatures in this pumpkin vine. This is the main object out here. I had to pull up vines because they were in the walkway and everywhere. Crossing this fence. So I got them up the trellis. And you see that cantaloupe? It's not even full size yet, but it's really, really heavy. And I'm afraid it won't get to be full size hanging like that. So we're trying to figure out something to do. So, like 2 hours later, we shopped at home. And we have found this. Yeah, don't close it up. Spread out the strings. Man, I hope this works. Because I tried lifting it and trying to get it closer to the trellis and it just went, oh yeah, see, now it's laying sideways. I like that better. All right.